Hello, science students. Here's your intro for slide 10. Now that you've done some practice on variables, we're going to practice claim writing a little bit. Typically in my class, we're going to practice claim writing. I'm going to give you an experiment. So it's going to describe the experiment, it's going to give you the data, and then you're going to write the claim. Sometimes you may write a claim for your own experiment as well. But when we're practicing, I'll usually give you the data. So you can kind of see here, it's going to describe the three parts of a claim. The claim statement, where you're going to say, was the hypothesis supported by the experiment or not? The evidence statement, so you're going to describe some data. You need to include data from the experiments. You actually say, these numbers are the ones that help me figure out if the hypothesis was supported or not. And then finally, there's a reasoning statement where you're going to explain the why behind it. So why you think this is a reasonable result or why that evidence makes sense. This is typically where you're going to bring your knowledge of science that we've been learning about into the claim to explain why this answer makes sense or maybe it doesn't. So in this slide, in this scenario, you need to underline the independent variable in green, the dependent variable in blue, read through the data table, and then in the green box, write your claim. Thank you for listening.